In this video, I'll be showing you how to install Java JDK or Java on Roblox to run your first Java program and also set up the environmental variable. So first of all, guys, you have to search for Java JDK download. You have to search this keyword and the first link will open here. Just click on it and now choose the window from here and just install the XE file. So you just need to download it. Once it is downloaded, just install it. Installation is pretty straightforward, but you need to know how to set up the environmental variable for it to run your first Java program. So let it download first. So guys, just click on next button to install. Click on next, and your installation will be start. Once the installation done, click on close, and your file will be the Java has been installed on system. To confirm the installation, you have to open the CMD. Now search, you just have to enter this command Java -version. So it will show you the Java version that you have installed on your system. Once it is installed, now you can run your first Java program. But before that, you have to set up the environmental variable. So to do that, you have to search for environment. Yeah, just click on the first thing. And now click on the environmental variables. Now to set up the environmental variable, first of all, we are going to set the system variables. Just click on path and click on edit. In edit, guys, you have to go open the file explorer first and go to the installation folder of Java. So you have to find where the Java is actually installed. So open the Java folder here and go open the JDK folder. And now open this bin folder. We have to copy the path of the bin folder in system variable and click on new and paste it here and click on OK. Now in user variable, you have to click on new and name it as Java home _ home. And also you have to enter the variable value, and in variable value, you have to open the installation folder again and come out of this bin folder and just copy the path of the folder and paste it here. And click on OK and click on OK and click on OK. Fine. So once you install this, guys, you just need to run your first Java program on your system. And yeah, the installation has been done. The environmental setup has been done. You have to write your first program and just run it on your system. Hope you like it. Hope you understood. Thanks for watching.